Surah Ar-Rum, the Romans. This surah is Meccan, containing 6 sections and 60 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
ألف لام ميم.
Alif Lam Mim.
غلبت الروم.
The Romans, Byzantines, have been defeated.
في أدنى الأرض وهم من بعد غلبهم سيغلبون.
In the nearby land, and after their defeat, they will soon triumph.
في بضع سنين لله الأمر من قبل ومن بعد ويومئذ يفرح المؤمنون.
In some years, the command belongs to Allah before and after, and on that day the believers will be happy.
بنصر الله ينصر من يشاء وهو العزيز الرحيم.
With the help of Allah, He helps whomsoever He wills. He is the predominant, the most merciful.
وعد الله لا يخلف الله وعده ولكن أكثر الناس لا يعلمون.
The promise of Allah. Allah does not go against His promise. However, most people do not know.
يعلمون ظاهرا من الحياة الدنيا وهم عن الآخرة هم غافلون.
They know the apparent life of this world, and they are heedless of the hereafter.
أولم يتفكروا في أنفسهم ما خلق الله السماوات والأرض وما بينهما إلا بالحق وأجل مسمى وإن كثيرا من الناس بلقاء ربهم لكافرون.
Did they not contemplate within their hearts that Allah only created the heavens and the earth and all that lies between them with truth and a specified duration? Many people deny the meeting of their Lord.
أولم يسيروا في الأرض فينظروا كيف كان عاقبة الذين من قبلهم كانوا أشد منهم قوة وأثاروا الأرض وعمروها أكثر مما عمروها وجاءتهم رسلهم بالبينات فما كان الله ليظلمهم ولكن كانوا أنفسهم يظلمون.
And did they not explore the earth? Then they would see what became of those who preceded them. They were stronger than them, and they cultivated the land and populated it more than they, i.e., Meccans populated it. And their messengers came to them with clear signs. So it does not befit the greatness of Allah that He should wrong them. Rather, they had wronged themselves.
ثم كان عاقبة الذين أساءوا السوء أن كذبوا بآيات الله وكانوا بها يستهزئون.
Then the end of those who committed evil was the worst, as they denied the verses of Allah and used to mock them.
الله يبدأ الخلق ثم يعيده ثم إليه ترجعون.
Allah originates the creation, then He will create it again, then to Him you will be returned.
ويوم تقوم الساعة يبلس المجرمون.
On the day, the hour, judgment will arrive, the wrongdoers will despair.
ولم يكن لهم من شركائهم شفعاء وكانوا بشركائهم كافرين.
And their associate gods will not be intercessors for them, and they will deny their associate gods.
ويوم تقوم الساعة يومئذ يتفرقون.
And the day, the hour, judgment will arrive. On that day, they will be divided.
فأما الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات فهم في روضة يحبرون.
As for those who believed and performed righteous deeds, so they will be made happy in heavenly gardens.
وأما الذين كفروا وكذبوا بآياتنا ولقاء الآخرة فأولئك في العذاب محضرون.
And as for those who were disbelievers and denied our verses and the meeting of the hereafter, so it is they who will be presented to punishment.
فسبحان الله حين تمسون وحين تصبحون.
So proclaim the purity of Allah when you enter the morning and when you enter the evening.
وله الحمد في السماوات والأرض وعشيا وحين تظهرون.
And all praise is for Him alone in the heavens and the earth, and when part of the day remains and when you entered noon.
يخرج الحي من الميت ويخرج الميت من الحي ويحيي الأرض بعد موتها وكذلك تخرجون.
He brings forth the living from the dead and brings forth the dead from the living. And He gives life to the earth after its death, and thus you will be brought forth.
ومن آياته أن خلقكم من تراب ثم إذا أنتم بشر تنتشرون.
From His signs is this, that He created you from dust, and so you are human beings dispersed.
ومن آياته أن خلق لكم من أنفسكم أزواجا لتسكنوا إليها وجعل بينكم مودة ورحمة إن في ذلك لآيات لقوم يتفكرون.
And from His signs is this, that He created for you partners from your species so that you attain comfort from them, and He placed love and mercy between you. Indeed, in this are signs for those who contemplate.
ومن آياته خلق السماوات والأرض واختلاف واختلاف ألسنتكم وألوانكم إن في ذلك لآيات للعالمين.
And of his signs is the creation of the heavens and the earth and the diversity of your tongues and complexions. Certainly in this are signs for people of knowledge.
ومن آياته منامكم بالليل والنهار وابتغاؤكم من فضله إن في ذلك لآيات لقوم يسمعون.
And of his signs is your sleep by night and day, and seeking his grace. Surely in this are signs for people who listen.
ومن آياته يريكم البرق خوفا وطمعا وينزل من السماء ماء فيحيي به الأرض بعد موتها إن في ذلك لآيات لقوم يعقلون.
And of his signs is that he shows you lightning to instill fear and give hope, and he causes rain to fall from the sky, then with it he revives the earth after its death. Indeed, in this are signs for people of intelligence.
ومن آياته أن تقوم السماء والأرض بأمره ثم إذا دعاكم دعوة من الأرض إذا أنتم تخرجون.
And of his signs is that the sky and the earth are established with his command. Then when he will summon you from the earth with a single call, you will come forth.
وله من في السماوات والأرض كل له قانتون.
To him alone belongs whoever is in the heavens and the earth. All are subservient to him.
وهو الذي يبدأ الخلق ثم يعيده وهو أهون عليه وله المثل الأعلى في السماوات والأرض وهو العزيز الحكيم.
It is he who originated the creation. Then he will create it again, and that is easier for him in your understanding. Supreme excellence in the heavens and the earth belongs to him, and he is the most exalted, the most wise.
ضرب لكم مثلا من أنفسكم هل لكم مما ملكت أيمانكم من شركاء فيما رزقناكم فأنتم فيه سواء تخافونهم كخيفتكم أنفسكم كذلك نفصل الآيات لقوم يعقلون.
He, Allah, states an example for you from your very own condition. Do you have among your slaves one who is a partner in the sustenance that we have provided for you, so that you and he are equal in it? You fear them, their equivalents, just as you fear one another. Thus we state signs in detail for people of intelligence.
بل اتبع الذين ظلموا أهواءهم بغير علم فمن يهدي من أضل الله وما لهم من ناصرين.
Rather, the oppressors followed their desires without knowledge. So who can guide one whom Allah leaves to stray? And they have no helpers.
فأقم وجهك للدين حنيفا فطرة الله التي فطر الناس عليها لا تبديل لخلق الله ذلك الدين القيم ولكن أكثر الناس لا يعلمون.
So devote yourself to obedience of Allah, distant from all falsehood. This is the natural disposition of Allah upon which He created mankind. Do not change the creation of Allah. This is the upright religion. However, most people do not know.
منيبين إليه واتقوه وأقيموا الصلاة ولا تكونوا من المشركين.
Returning to Him in repentance, fear Him, establish the prayer, and do not be among the polytheists.
من الذين فرقوا دينهم وكانوا شيعا كل حزب بما لديهم فرحون.
From those who broke their religion into pieces and became groups, every group is happy with what it has.
وإذا مس الناس ضر دعوا ربهم منيبين إليه ثم إذا أذاقهم منه رحمة إذا فريق منهم بربهم يشركون.
And when a calamity befalls mankind, they call upon their Lord, returning to Him. Then when He makes them taste mercy from His court, a group among them ascribes partners to their Lord.
ليكفروا بما آتيناهم فتمتعوا فسوف تعلمون.
So that they may show ingratitude for the blessing we have granted them. So take benefit. Very soon you will come to know.
أم أنزلنا عليهم سلطانا فهو يتكلم بما كانوا به يشركون.
Or have we revealed evidence to them that speaks of ascribing partners to us?
وإذا أذقنا الناس رحمة فرحوا بها وإن تصبهم سيئة بما قدمت أيديهم إذا هم يقنطون.
And when we give mankind the taste of mercy, they rejoice with it. And if evil befalls them due to what their hands sent forth, then they despair.
أولم يروا أن الله يبسط الرزق لمن يشاء ويقدر إن في ذلك لآيات لقوم يؤمنون.
Did they not see Allah increases sustenance for whomsoever He wills, and He lessens too? Certainly in this are signs for people of faith.
فآت ذا القربى حقه والمسكين وابن السبيل ذلك خير للذين يريدون وجه الله وأولئك هم المفلحون.
So fulfill the right of kin and the destitute and the wayfarer. This is better for those who seek the pleasure of Allah, and it is they who are successful.
وما آتيتم من ربا ليربو في أموال الناس فلا يربو عند الله وما آتيتم من زكاة تريدون وجه الله فأولئك هم المضعفون.
And whatever you give in usury, that it may increase in the wealth of the people, so it does not increase with Allah. And that zakat which you give seeking the pleasure of Allah, so it is they who increase their wealth.
الله الذي خلقكم ثم رزقكم ثم يميتكم ثم يحييكم هل من شركائكم من يفعل من ذلكم من شيء سبحانه وتعالى عما يشركون.
Allah is He who created you. Then He provided you with sustenance. Then He will cause you to die. Then He will bring you to life. Are there any among your partners who can do any of these things? He is pure and exalted above what they ascribe to Him as partners.
ظهر الفساد في البر والبحر بما كسبت أيدي الناس ليذيقهم بعض الذي عملوا لعلهم يرجعون.
Discord has appeared on land and sea due to what the hands of people have earned, that Allah may cause them to taste some of their deeds, so that they may refrain.
قل سيروا في الأرض فانظروا كيف كان عاقبة الذين من قبل كان أكثرهم مشركين.
Say, explore the earth and see what became of those who preceded you. Most of them were polytheists.
فأقم وجهك للدين القيم من قبل أن يأتي يوم لا مرد له من الله يومئذ يصدعون.
So devote yourself to the adherence of the true religion before the arrival of the day from Allah which cannot be averted. On that day they will be divided.
من كفر فعليه كفره ومن عمل صالحا فلأنفسهم يمهدون.
Whosoever disbelieved, so the adversity of his disbelief is upon him, and those who do righteous deeds, so they are preparing for themselves.
ليجزي الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات من فضله إنه لا يحب الكافرين.
So that Allah recompenses those who embrace faith and did righteous deeds from His grace. Certainly He does not like the disbelievers.
ومن آياته أن يرسل الرياح مبشرات وليذيقكم من رحمته ولتجري الفلك بأمره ولتبتغوا من فضله ولعلكم تشكرون.
And of His signs is this, that He sends the winds bearing glad tidings, and that He may make you taste His mercy, and that the ships may sail with His command, and that you may seek His grace, and so that you become grateful.
ولقد أرسلنا من قبلك رسلا إلى قومهم فجاءوهم بالبينات فانتقمنا من الذين أجرموا وكان حقا علينا نصر المؤمنين.
And we certainly sent messengers to their people before you. So they came to them with clear signs. Then we took retribution from the wrongdoers. It is upon our bestowal to help the Muslims.
الله الذي يرسل الرياح فتثير سحابا فيبسطه في السماء كيف يشاء ويجعله كسفا فترى الودق يخرج من خلاله فإذا أصاب به من يشاء من عباده إذا هم يستبشرون.
Allah is He who sends the winds so they raise a cloud. Then He spreads it in the sky as He wills and splits it into pieces. So you see rain coming forth from within it. So when He causes it, i.e. the rain, to reach whomsoever He wills from His people, they then rejoice.
وَإِن كَانُوا مِن قَبْلِ أَن يُنَزَّلَ عَلَيْهِم مِّن قَبْلِهِ لَمُبْلِسِينَ.
Although before it was sent down to them, they were in deep despair.
فانظر إلى آثار رحمة الله كيف يحيي الأرض بعد موتها إن ذلك لمحيي الموتى وهو على كل شيء قدير.
So see the effects of Allah's mercy, how He revives the earth after its death. He resurrects the dead, and He has power over everything.
وَلَئِنْ أَرْسَلْنَا رِيحًا فَرَأَوْهُ مُصْفَرًّا لَظَلُّوا مِنْ بَعْدِهِ يَكْفُرُونَ.
And if we send a wind, and they see it, i.e. the crop turn yellow, then certainly after that they would show ingratitude.
فَإِنَّكَ لَا تُسْمِعُ الْمَوْتَى وَلَا تُسْمِعُ الصُّمَّ الدُّعَاءَ إِذَا وَلَّوْا مُدْبِرِينَ.
So you can neither make the dead hear, nor make the deaf hear your call when they turn their backs in retreat.
وَمَا أَنْتَ بِهَادِ الْعُمْيِ عَنْ ضَلَالَتِهِمْ إِن تُسْمِعُ إِلَّا مَنْ يُؤْمِنُ بِآيَاتِنَا فَهُمْ مُسْلِمُونَ.
And you cannot guide the blind away from their misguidance. You can only make those who believe in our verses hear you, so they are obedient.
الله الذي خلقكم من ضعف ثم جعل من بعد ضعف قوة ثم جعل من بعد قوة ضعفا وشيبة يخلق ما يشاء وهو العليم القدير.
Allah is He who created you weak. Then He made you strong after weakness. Then He made you weak and old after strength. He creates what He wills. He is the all-knowing, the all-powerful.
وَيَوْمَ تَقُومُ السَّاعَةُ يُقْسِمُ الْمُجْرِمُونَ ما لبثوا غير ساعة كذلك كانوا يؤفكون.
And the day, the hour, i.e. judgment, will be established. The wrongdoers will swear that they only resided for a moment. Thus they were wandering.
وقال الذين أوتوا العلم والإيمان لقد لبثتم في كتاب الله إلى يوم البعث فهذا يوم البعث ولكنكم كنتم لا تعلمون.
And those who were endowed with knowledge and faith will say, Indeed, you have resided until the day of resurrection according to what Allah had written. So this is the day of resurrection, but you did not know.
فيومئذ لا ينفع الذين ظلموا معذرتهم ولا هم يستعتبون.
So on that day their asking for forgiveness will not benefit them, and they will not be asked to return to that which pleases Allah.
وَلَقَدْ ضَرَبْنَا لِلنَّاسِ فِي هَذَا الْقُرْآنِ مِنْ كُلِّ مَثَلٍ وَلَئِنْ جِئْتَهُمْ بِآيَةٍ لَيَقُولَنَّ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا إِنْ أَنْتُمْ إِلَّا مُبْطِلُونَ.
We have certainly provided all kinds of examples for people in this Quran. Yet, if you bring forth a sign to them, the disbelievers will definitely say, You are only upon falsehood.
كذلك يطبع الله على قلوب الذين لا يعلمون.
Thus Allah seals the hearts of the ignorant.
فاصبر إن وعد الله حق ولا يستخفنك الذين لا يوقنون.
So be patient, for indeed the promise of Allah is true, and those who are not certain of the hereafter should not unsettle you.